All right, hey guys, I'm back. So where we left off in the last video, we said we were going to pick up with the easy one up, and actually you should have already joined the Facebook group and saw a little bit about the Facebook group, saw the success that's in there, and hopefully it got you a little excited about what you can do with this, with your new business. Okay, so as you can see, just real quick, the leads are coming in from the fifth income stream. You see someone who's testifying about that. Testify. So in this one right here, Paolo Beringel, he had $800 day. You know, it's actually, he must be on the other side of the planet because it's August 1st right now over there, and they're a day ahead. But he got a good day started with $800 in his check. So that's cool. But anyway, you should have already signed up for the Facebook group, right? So now let's go over back here where we were. And the first thing we need to do is sign up for Easy One Up. Now, as I said before, I said make sure you have a notepad, right? So we can just pretend this is an empty notepad right here real quick. And what we want to do is we want to make sure we have all of our information, right? Easy One Up, because we're going to get a login and password from that. We're going to get TextBot AI password for that, and we're going to get Traffic Authority, and you're going to have password for that. So you're going to need these passwords. I highly suggest you use the same email and the same password that you used when you logged into the My Income Funnel when you created that account. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is typically you're going to click here, and it's going to take you to the Easy One Up site. Okay, but I'm gonna click here, and I'm gonna show you, what it entails. Okay, real quick. Here's the Easy One Up overview. Here's your landing page. It's gonna give you a brief description about what's inside, right? What is the product, right? So what you want to do if you really want to see what the products are, because you're gonna sign up once you see, you come here to this page and you go, these are the products, right? And as I said in the other video, there's different price points. Let's go back to my sketch, right? You have a price range of $25 to $2,000. And at each one of these price points, you pay that amount and you can receive that amount, right? But like I said, this is not a get rich quick scheme, and you got to put in work. It's simple, but it's not easy, right? So let's go back to our Easy One Up. And this gives you an overview of the products here. You have a $25 base package, right? Which is this is what it's called, Network Marketing Basics. It teaches you, these are all video courses, right? And they teach you how to do these things, right? You have affiliate Kickstarter videos. It teaches you how to do autoresponder. See, what people don't understand is that when they come in with the Easy One Up, when they purchase an Easy One Up product, it gives them all the training that they need to run their business, to multiple income fund business. It shows you how to run that. I mean, because one of the first questions is, how do you do autoresponder? Well, look at this. It's right here. I mean, you wouldn't have to keep buying program after program if you just use the products that you have. If you actually take a look and see what products that you purchased, right? But most people don't, because all they look at is the cash. I'm not bashing. I'm just saying, Captain Obvious over here. So at the $25 level, you can get all of this stuff. And I guarantee you, if you look in the Facebook group now, people are asking these questions, okay? So the next level is your Elevation Elite. Now, this is the $100 level. So if you come in at the $100 level, you also get what's at the 25. You see what I'm saying, right? So the higher level you come in, it includes all lower levels. So if you come in at the 100, you get how to do solo ads, you get Udemy, you get YouTube, clickable links, how to do YouTube organic searches, how to do YouTube a social network, copywriting conversations, how to do social media marketing, how to do marketing on Facebook, how to do marketing on Pinterest. See, you're getting all of these skills, and people don't understand, right? That the product is in the product that you're being a part of. It's part of your business. As one guy said, he's one of my mentors in another program where I call him my mentor, right? He said, if you bought a bookstore, and in that bookstore there was a book on how to make money off of bookstores, wouldn't you read the book? Right? Or would you just sell a book and not even know? of course, you would read the book, learn how to make money off of bookstores, and then guess what you would do? You would sell the book of how to make money off of bookstores, right? I mean, it's a no-brainer. But that's exactly what you have here. You have this whole system here that comes with, it's part of the income stream of the Easy One Up funnel, and it has all of this powerful training inside. Next level is the 250 level. As I said, you come in at the 250, and it includes the other lower levels. Now, let's go back to the bonuses real quick. The bonuses that I offer are for what? If you come in at the monthly in the My Income funnel and at the Elevation Elite, which would have been this one, the $100 level, I'll give you, of course, you'll qualify for all of these electronics and this for you to have. And actually, you can qualify to give them away too, because I can just give them to you to give away, right? The next one is if you come in at the annual for income stream number one, which is the actual funnel, the yearly. And then if you come in at any level above the $100 level, I'll give you the rest of them. You can have everything else. It's a bundle deal. So just think about that when you're making your decision, and also consider your budget, right? Because as I said, you want to make it affordable for you. It's not mandatory. And the only thing you really want to do at the beginning of it is just create an account, consider your budget, and reach out to me, and I can go over and explain anything that you need. But that's what this video is for. So you have your 250 package, and between $100 and $500 is a sweet spot, because I know that people, sometimes are cash strapped. I didn't even come in at the high. I worked my way up, right? So you come in at the level that's comfortable. At the $500 level, you learn drop shipping and different other strategies. Just like the other options, you qualify for everything else, right? And as you go further, you got the $1,000 level. You can make $1,000 and you qualify everything. You can make $2,000 at the next level and qualify for everything. So that's what that is. Now, briefly, let's go in and create this account. So, this next section, this explains how it works. And I would advise you to read this little section here of how this works. So then you'll click join now, right? And this is where you're going to log in and create your account. So as you're in here, this is what you'll see. You'll see my picture here because you're signing up under me. You'll see a little introduction video on my page. You'll see, and actually as part of my team, I'm going to show you how to set this up. And you can use this exact video, because this video right here is a 5-minute video that walks you through how to set up your account, okay? And that's all I want to show you. So if you log in and you become a member of my team, this is the video that you will use to set up your account, and I don't have to say anything else, right? So just make sure you create a username, create a password, add in the captcha code. Now the captcha code is right here, and it always changes. Sorry, you see where it says 122 right here? You just punch in that number 122, click agree, and hit start. It records your IP for security purposes. It records when you came in, so there's no cheating of the system. You're pegged to me, and I can help you, right? So this is my picture. Make sure this is my email. Here's my contact information. And if you have any questions, reach out. But that's as simple as it is. And once you get on the inside, now mind you, this video walks you through everything, so watch that video. And once you get on the inside, you'll see these levels that you should come in, and then you can create your account, and then you can make your selection. And if you have any questions at any point in time, reach out to me. But like I said, the first thing you really want to do is create your account, record the information here, username, password, right? Record that, and then really consider where you want to come in at. Reach out to me. I can help you, and then we can go from there. Okay, so that's how you set up Easy One Up. And my video that's on that page describes everything. It's only a 5-minute and 28-second video. I highly suggest that you check that out. So anyway, that's where we are. Now let's go back to our back office, and where you would go to plug in this information is you would go here to My Business, click on My Business, then you scroll down and you would input your information here under Easy One Up. Okay, I highly suggest you make it the same username, but just plug it in, okay? And then that's it. Then we go back to start here. We go back to income streams, and we proceed on to the next step of income stream setup, which is TextBot AI, and that's where we'll pick up the next video at. Till then.